Hi there, wig lover. This is Heather from CysterWigs.com, and today I'm bringing you a review of a Tony of Beverly wig called Savvy. Fully hand-tied monofilament top. We've got a really nice pre-cut contoured lace front, hand-tied sides, not very stretchy, hand-tied back, also not very stretchy. We have an extended felt nape with Velcro adjusters. There are also generous bits of polyurethane on the top of the nape and on each of the ear tabs. Those are great places to put adhesive if you need a little bit of extra security, but you don't have to put adhesive there if you don't want to. It won't stick to your hair. It's not silicone. Let me go ahead and show you this color up close while this is still off my head. As you can see, this is a soft number 12, which is kind of like a light golden brown, but in this case, it's got bits of a 28 blended into it. And you can see up here that it's, very nice, has quite a bit of butterscotch and some dark rust tones, very pretty color. And then down here, it's more like a number 8 that has little hints of those colors also blended into it. But very much lighter on top, slightly auburn, down towards the bottom where it's a little less auburn. This wig has kind of a doll-like curl pattern out of the box. So I'm going to go ahead and use my wide tooth comb to gently relax these curls and make them look a little less wiggy. As you can tell, this fiber moves gloriously in the wind. Looks just like real hair. So now I have Savvy on. You can see she's really kind of cute. She reminds me of like a longer, more layered on top version of the Britney by Moore. But it's more of a really long, curly shag. This is a synthetic wig and it is moving in this wind just like real hair. It is awesome. I will say this cap is very, very snug on me. It fits very true to average. I technically have an average large cap size, so if I say something snug and you have a smaller cap size, mine's 23.5 inches in circumference. So if your measurement there is less than mine, this is probably going to fit you very nicely. So let me show you what Savvy looks like on from all sides. Now the wind is blowing, but I actually think that kind of makes it look a little bit more like mermaid hair. So I'm digging it here by the seaside. I love all this layering on top. Lots and lots of layering. I mean, some of these bang layers are kind of short. So you could easily have a stylist trim those for you, or you might not even need to do that. Look at that. They just kind of stay in place already. That's kind of fantastic. I prefer to sweep it off to the side though to showcase this lace front. And I have it pushed down just a little bit further than I would normally wear it, so that way you can really see these knots. They do put that lighter color right up on the front hairline, and it is contoured, which is excellent. This is a completely hand-tied wig, and as such, you can see right down through. So you want to make sure you wear a wig cap under this if you have hair there. You might want to wear a wig cap anyway underneath this, just so that way, that monofilament doesn't rub right up against your scalp if you don't have any hair there. The bang on Savvy is 4.5 inches. The crown down is 9.95 inches, but it is layered back there. You can tell she's kind of like 2 layers. She's like poof and poof, okay? So the nape is 13.75 inches at its longest points in the back. And the overall length from the top of the crown down to the bottom of the hair is about 22 inches at its longest point. Now that is a straight hair length. That's before they curl it. It's more like 18 inches after the curl has been set. This has been the CysterWigs review of the luscious Savvy completely hand-tied wig by Tony of Beverly in the very popular color 12S28. I'm Heather from CysterWigs.com. Thank you for watching my wig reviews, and I look forward to making more of them for you. Be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel. All right, bye-bye.